what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Analime TV. I'm your host, Nelson Arevalo Jr., and welcome for stopping by to Analime TV. If you're new here, guys, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It means a lot. It's free, and it comes a long way. Today, guys, I have the review and unboxing of the Adidas Bad Bunny Response CL. The colorway Paso Fino is the name, Paso Fino, but the colors say it's crazy colors. Creatine Broster Earster. I don't know, don't understand that, but yeah, that's what says it on the box. But before I begin, guys, I do have to say, I want to give a shout out to to everybody that I love. My daughters, Analia, I love you. Leilani, I love you. My parents, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my family, my cousins, my aunts, I love you all. I love you guys. Okay, guys, and also this video is sponsored by Analime. Guys, if you don't know what Analime is, you need to find out now. Go to my website. Go to my Instagram, actually. Follow me on Instagram at AnalimeNYC. And if you want to cop some merch, look fly, go to my website, AnalimeNYC.com. Alright, guys, let's just get right into it. Boom, Adidas, Bad Bunny. You guys already know the vibes. Adidas keeping the same way they did with Kanye. Simple, consistent, always same box, and they really go crazy with the shoe. They don't really go crazy with packaging like Nike does. Very simple. We got the stripes in the front, 3 Adidas stripes, the Bad Bunny logo right up on top, and on the stripes. So this is a matte box, but the stripes are a glossy finish. I don't know if you guys can see that. Of course you can. Also has an embossed texture. I does not. So this has the Adidas logo, Bad Bunny logo, slide box. On this side we have the label. These are size 11. Guys, these shoes are so comfortable. Like, I wear like the black ones like all the time. I wear the black ones all the time and the yellow ones. So yeah, like way more comfortable than Jordans. I love Jordans. Best designs ever on the planet. Interesting, these don't come with actual pair of laces. We got that tissue paper. Always the same tissue paper with Bad Bunny. Always. That white and yellow Adidas logo. But always gives us the dust bag too. Interesting enough. Dust bag with the logo. There you go. Boom. Let's get into the shoe. Shoe has a hand tag, like always. All these shoes always come with hand tags. For some reason, the Adidas shoes, they all, like most of them, come with a hang tag. And bah! Let's get right into the shoe. Yo, this shoe's crazy, yo. Like, I love this model. Like, might be one of my favorite Bad Bunny models, honestly. But something that's really cool about this shoe is that it's mainly a tan and brown shoe, but it has those hint of purple, like indigo purple, and kind of towards blue, but it's more purple than blue, but it's like indigo. Like, some parts are indigo, some are purple, basically. And let's just start with the outsole. So the outsole has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades of color. We have the dark, very dark. Is it a brown? It's a very dark brown, but it looks kind of purplish too. Then we have the purple color. Then we have that purple indigo right there in the middle. Then we have that tan beige color. And then we have this brown doo-doo color. Yeah, doo-doo color. As we work our way towards the midsole, we have on the midsole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Again, the same 5 colors, but that purple is very subtle right there, hidden in the back. Not too much of that purple on the midsole, it's just on the back. And then it's mostly that beige color. And what I love the most is these like kind of like mountainish, wave-ish patterns that like seep through the midsole like it's drippy. And then we work our way to the top. We got that suede leather, and then we got that suede leather on top. On the bottom, on the mesh overlay, we have an overlay right there. Then we have the Adidas stripes that is mainly brown, but the outlines is like purplish. So it's mainly like a beige sneakers, mainly beige and brown. And on the mudguard, we do have that subtle purple right there with like that 3M finish. On the tip, we got the Adidas logo. And then on the inside of the shoe, we get the, what's this technology called? Pro Moderator technology. I don't know. They're very comfortable. You see like kind of like that grid pattern right there. On the heel, we got the Bad Bunny logo. The tongue, we got again the Adidas logo. The insole is all brown with the cheap insole. Oh well. Yeah. What do you guys think about this shoe? This shoe's fire. This shoe's fire. Like, I really like it. Does not come with extra pair of laces. These are the only laces. Beige, tan, cream laces with the purple tips. And yeah, guys, really like the. So with these shoes, like for some reason they always throw like a complimentary color. And these, it's like a navy, but you can't really see it. They're like all black. Like I don't even really like I used to like hate all black shoes, but like now I'm starting to get into them as I get older. Like when I was younger, I used to like more fruity or like colorful sneakers, and now I really don't. Now I'm starting to like the more like just. I guess it's cause I'm a dad, right? I guess it's cause I'm getting old, right? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Follow me on Instagram at LMNYC. And if you want to get drippy looks so cute and sexy and pretty and gorgeous, go to my website, LMNYC.com. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next one. Deuces.